Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing the latch and knob so you can see the full bore. Use a flashlight and probe to determine if the wood is rotted or simply crushed. This changes your repair approach. Once done, clean the hole of dust and loose fibers with a compressed air blow or brush, and make sure surrounding paint or finish is masked. Prepare epoxy, a hardwood dowel or plug sized to the bore, and a drill with a matching bit so you can install a solid core. You next create a stable core by dry fitting a hardwood dowel or shaped plug that matches the bore diameter. Once it fits, mark and cut it slightly long so it can be trimmed flush after curing. The slight oversize ensures epoxy fills gaps. Mix a 2-part wood epoxy to the manufacturer's ratio and coat the bore completely. Then smear epoxy on the plug and insert it, rotating as you push to force out air. Make sure to wedge or clamp. You finish by trimming the cured plug flush with a chisel or saw, then sand smooth and re-drill the lock bore to the exact diameter for the latch and cylinder. Reinstall the hardware and cycle the lock several times to confirm smooth action and correct strike alignment. If you notice wobble or play, make sure the plug fully filled gaps. If not, you may need to remove the plug, enlarge slightly, or use a thin metal sleeve and repeat the epoxy bedding. This corrects persistent looseness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.